All right, so update on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is overbought on the 1 hour time frame, and you have not made a higher high. This is a higher low because I do think it could go up a little bit more, but there's no way it's probably going to get all the way up here unless on the correction it makes a higher low above $19,964. But this is not a good sign right now that you already overbought on the 1 hour time frame without breaking a previous high. So now when we do get rejected eventually, probably close to 21K, maybe sooner, you would have to hold $19,964. If you go below that, then that confirms that we are in a downtrend. So be very careful on Bitcoin today. The good thing is a 4 hour chart still has a lot of room to run. So if the 1 hour can cool down and just go sideways and cool down doing that, then it could give the 4 hour time to catch up. And then that would give you the potential to make a higher high. So at this point, we don't know what's going to happen, but you have to be ready for both scenarios, whether the uptrend is now going back down and we're probably going to go back to 17K, or whether you can make a higher high. If you can get back above this level, I believe it was, let me just clear the chart really quick. If you can get above this level right here at $21,670, that would confirm that the trend is actually still intact. But then you'd also still have to break this previous high at basically $23,000. So that's what you're looking at for right now. The 4 chart still looks really good, still has a lot of room to run, but the 1 hour chart is worrying me. So we just got to be very careful today trading. We'll see what happens. The 15-minute chart is also overbought. Let's go to Bookmap and see what is going on. So this tells you where the liquidity is on Bitcoin. So right now we're at $20,640. You guys can zoom way out and see like where the orders are way lower, like 15K, 17K. But for right now, let's do short term. Short term, it is looking like we have a lot of liquidity still down here at 20,400, but we also have a lot up here at 20,800. So it looks like there's a tad more down here. So there's more than likely we will come down to 20,400 before we go grab this liquidity up here at 20,800. But it is so very close. It could go either way, but it is looking like there's a tad more right now at 20,400. Obviously, this could change very quickly. So you guys gotta watch this all day long. I'm trading Bitcoin today, so whenever I see a good opportunity, I'll jump in. Right now, it's still indecisive, so I will not be hopping into a trade probably within anytime soon, but probably later today we'll hop into a trade. I traded all day yesterday, so we'll see what happens. But that's kind of what's going on for Bitcoin right now. So you have liquidity at 20,400, and then you have some up here at 20,800. So if this liquidity stays, then you could expect both of these prices to probably get hit at some time. C just moved up a little bit to 20,850, so it changes throughout the day. You gotta watch it like a hawk if you're gonna trade it. But as of right now, I would not be surprised at all if you came visit this 20,500 level where you have support, and then you could have a wick down here to 20,400. And obviously, when you get down here, then the orders could change, and people could put orders down here at 20,200, and then that would draw the price even lower. So I'm not saying that's the low, but that's probably where you're gonna hit today. But the range you have right now on Bitcoin is about 20,200. That's where it went down to yesterday, to about 21,000. That's a range you're in for the last few days. So that's what I'd be looking for Bitcoin today. So that's kind of all I got. I was drawing this falling wedge that I had on Bitcoin. I think it was a 15-minute chart. And you broke out the falling wedge to the upside. Like I said, you have that liquidity sell order at 20,800. So that will act as resistance if you want to keep going up. But the measure move, if you can break that, would be $21,100 almost. So that's what the target would be. We'll see if we can get there today. The 1 hour is telling me it's going to be hard to do that, but it's possible. That's the next resistance is at $21,000 level. So it's definitely possible you go up to 21.1. With that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update.